video of you filling up the water
Sure.
with the electrolytes here.
Yeah, so there's a mark, and I just kind of give a little more heaping. It smells like Tang, orange crystal drink. There we go. A little bit of heaping. Oop.
And we've been having to feed and water about twice a day because they're really going through the food now. And as the season progresses, the percent protein in the grain is less and less. So I think right now we're at 17%, and then we'll be going down to, is it 14%?
15.
15%.
It's called a finisher.
In the finisher grain. So we have about 11 days left until butchering. And we did lose one bird to heat stress the other day, so we're hoping that that won't happen again between now and butchering time. Because at this point in the game, you know, you've spent a lot of money on grain, and you don't want to lose a bird due to heat stress. So we fill these up usually twice a day, bring them out to the field, and they go through it quite quickly on a hot day.